So look at this creature. So his brother and sister are those two whites over there. Definitely came different. Oh, she's just laid an egg as well. I did not know that even. That's good. So we'll put this this monster for flying. See what he does. See what kind of birds this pair does. Nice bird. It's come up nice. Then we've got last round of cells from that pair there. Actually coming up pretty nice. Got a couple birds hiding there. Nice. And then we've got 2 eggs, an egg. Doll will have 2 eggs eventually. And we got 2 eggs there, which are from that silver pied. Can't wait to see what these guys do. This younger, this one's starting to flutter about. That one's alright. Actually come up nice. Let me close that door. Alright. It's about 7:30 at night, so we don't want them out again. Birds are coming up alright. Starting to go on the loft top. Obviously not very confident, but they're coming up. They're eventually going down. These 2 over here. That's pretty good. We'll see what this one makes. Is that boy there? They're so atomic. And she is from the old Vesto Red. Which hen was it? It was one of them. I'm trying to remember. Now I realise why people like to put stuff down on paper, right? He'll come to me. She was a hen flying in one of the videos where I got 9 hens. So we'll see what they make. Should be nice. Last time she was paired to this one, and they've got some nice birds who are like 5 or 6 months, showing good signs of flight. Just waiting them to proper molt up and let them go up. We will definitely change their food to lighter food as well. At the moment everyone's on pellets and mix due to all the breeding going on. Nice. couple of days old there. We've got a couple of days old here. I think they finally got an egg now there. That's good. I'm thinking of maybe already putting that silver. I might put that silver away. And that boy. I think that's enough for this time. We'll see. And do another couple there. They've got young ones. They've got eggs. So we'll shut the shop up. Shut the shop up soon. But there'll be a nice amount of flies, that's for sure. It's going to be good. Never had that colour before. See what they make. See what that pair makes next time. Yeah. Nice and chill. They've eaten. They're relaxing. No babies are crying right now at the moment. Even the ones hiding in the corner. I want her to do another round. Special bird. And hopefully we get one round for these two. Cannot wait for that. As soon as you put the camera on and she starts to show off. Hopefully. I think that's right. So he's from the red Veso old boy. Him, and then he made that one with a blue saddle. So him and a blue saddle made that one. So she's got Veso, saddle line, and Veso red line in her. She came up like a nice check. That's right. I knew you'd come. These ones are starting to go down a little bit. They're still not confident. Probably another week or two they'll start to be coming outside.